In early 2025, self-proclaimed crypto godfather Adam Iza pled guilty to federal criminal charges in a conspiracy that targeted multiple victims in Los Angeles and had ties as far up as the city's sheriff department. Long before facing legal fallout, however, Iza was simply a young computer whiz who'd made millions off cryptocurrency, living in Beverly Hills, according to Rolling Stone in a story authored by reporter Jesse Hyde. He was not the typical client for Paramount Investigative Services founder Ken Childs, but he would prove to be among the most notorious.
When Adam reached out to me, I had no clue who he was. He was very professional, very polite. Honestly, I felt like we sort of clicked.
Iza wanted to recover a stolen laptop. The device had $300 million in crypto on it. It was a seemingly standard surveillance investigation, according to Childs, but the assignment would prove to be more complex.
In the beginning, everything was legally fine. We were doing surveillance, all was well. And then what had changed was when we believed we spotted the laptop, Adam kind of like emotionally ramped everything up. Breaking doors and gunshots were fired, the whole thing. I had no clue like how savage these people were.
Childs knew he could no longer work for Iza, but the complexity of the situation made it difficult to make a clean break.
Everything was going very fast. He asked me to rob somebody. I didn't do it. And at the same point in time, he owed me at least $50,000 to $90,000. It was like a delicate balance between like, how do I get out and get my money? And then clearly when that wasn't happening, I just simply was out.
This was what inspired Childs to file the lawsuit that unraveled into the downfall of a criminal network. An investigation found that off-duty Los Angeles Sheriff's Department deputies acted as Iza's personal enforcers against his enemies, carrying out extortion, intimidation, and setting people up for arrest, among other legal abuses. Multiple officers, alongside Iza himself, were taken into custody. Rolling Stone reports that Iza's sentencing has been rescheduled to a date in 2026 due to new charges announced by the U.S. Attorney in Connecticut. According to a recent indictment, Iza and two other men have been charged in connection to a kidnapping in Danbury, Connecticut in August of 2024. Iza helped pay for the kidnapping plot, according to the new charges, and directed the operation remotely. Iza is just one criminal in a rising tide of crypto crime. According to the FBI's 2024 Internet Crime Report, victims of investment fraud, specifically those involving cryptocurrency, reported losses totaling over $6.5 billion, the most of any cybercrime. Physical violence is increasingly prevalent in these incidents as well. Rolling Stone reported that in the past 2 years alone, there were kidnappings for ransom of cryptocurrency moguls in Canada, Australia, and the United States.
My perception of the crypto community is just buyer beware. There are only two types of people involved in crypto. Those that are gonna screw you and those that are gonna get screwed.
As for Iza's stolen laptop, the official whereabouts remain unknown, as does the money he owes Childs.
Adam doesn't care to pay me. When Adam originally hired me, he never told me how many coins were on the laptop. He said it swung insanely depending on the price of Bitcoin. That laptop's probably sitting at $1 billion+. It's the world's most expensive paperweight.
For more information about cryptocurrency and cybercrime, visit our website at cybersecurityventures.com.